How to fix Clime app not working. Welcome back to the channel and let's start with the video. For this, you can try by opening your phone setting. In here, scroll down until you see Apps. Then tap on All Apps. Search for Clime in the search bar. In here, force stop the application and head to Storage and Cache. Clear up the cache, and this will help with the bug issue. You can also try by press and holding onto your application and head to App Info. Repeat the same step of force stopping it and clearing up the cache. Now, moving on with the video, you can try by opening your Play Store or App Store. In here, we'll be searching for an update for Clime. Type in Clime in the search bar, select the application, leave for an update if there is any, or uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Also make sure that Clime application is available for your region and you are not connected to a VPN. Also check for your Wi-Fi connection, switch to mobile data if your Wi-Fi is acting up or into a better Wi-Fi connection. You can also try by checking your system update. You can check it on the settings option of your mobile device. Just tap on the setting option, head back from all of this, go to the main option of setting, and select System Update. Make sure your system is up to date. And that is exactly how you can fix your Clime app not working. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.